Leading-edge technology for a healthy future. Welcome to this episode as we unveil the wonders of orthopedics with the latest generation of the rod coupling orthopedic implant. Orthopedic implants play a crucial role in restoring mobility and function for individuals with musculoskeletal injuries or conditions. Among the various components of these implants, the rod-to-rod coupling holds significant importance in ensuring stability and support for the patient. This article delves into the purpose and significance of rod-to-rod coupling in orthopedic implants, shedding light on its role in enhancing patient outcomes. The primary purpose of rod-to-rod coupling in orthopedic implants is to provide a secure and stable connection between two rods within the implant construct. This coupling mechanism is essential for maintaining alignment, preventing excessive movement, and promoting fusion at the site of injury or surgical intervention. By effectively linking the rods, the coupling enhances the overall stability of the implant, which is critical for the successful healing and recovery of the patient. As the field of orthopedic implant technology continues to advance, innovations in rod-to-rod coupling are aimed at further improving the functionality and biomechanical properties of these implants. From enhanced materials to innovative locking mechanisms, ongoing research and development efforts seek to elevate the performance and reliability of rod-to-rod coupling systems, ultimately benefiting patients and healthcare providers. By choosing rod coupling orthopedic implant, you are choosing the highest quality rehabilitation program that doubles the care for your health and future.